If Microsoft Word is showing the product activation failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a common issue when Office can't verify your license, your system time is off, or Word gets stuck in the background. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check everything step by step and get Word working again. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, make sure your computer's date and time are correct. This might sound small, but an incorrect clock can cause Microsoft Word to fail activation because Office needs to verify your license properly. So open your system settings, check the time zone, and make sure both the date and time are set automatically if possible. Once that's done, close the settings and move on to the next step. Now close all Microsoft Office apps completely. Make sure Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and anything else from Office are shut down. Sometimes Word stays running in the background even when the window is closed, and that can block activation. To make sure it is fully closed, right-click the Word icon and choose Run as Administrator. Running Word as an administrator can help it access the licensing information it needs. After that, try activating Word again and see if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, open Task Manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. In Task Manager, look for Microsoft Word in the list of running apps or background processes. Select it and click End Task. This forcefully closes any stuck Word process that might be interfering with activation. Once it's fully closed, open Word again and check whether the product activation error still appears. Next, go to Control Panel and change Microsoft Office. This is a useful repair step when Word is having activation or license issues. To do this, open Control Panel, go to Programs, then Programs and Features, and find your Microsoft Office installation in the list. Select it, then choose Change. Depending on your version, you may see options like Quick Repair or Online Repair. Start with Quick Repair first because it is faster and often fixes activation problems without needing a full reinstall. If that doesn't work, you can try the more thorough Online Repair option. After that, sign in at Microsoft.com to confirm your subscription is active. If you use Microsoft 365, Word may show this error if your subscription has expired, if you're signed into the wrong account, or if the license hasn't synced properly. Visit your Microsoft account online, check your subscription status, and make sure the account matches the one connected to Office on your computer. If the subscription is active, sign out and sign back in inside Word to refresh the license. A lot of times, one of these steps will fix the issue right away. The key is to work through them in order, because each one checks a different part of the activation process. First the system clock, then the Word process, then the Office repair, and finally your Microsoft account status. That combination solves the problem for many users without needing advanced troubleshooting. If Word still says product activation failed after trying everything, you may need to remove and reinstall Office, but in most cases, the steps in this video are enough to get you back up and running. The important thing is to make sure your system is synced correctly, Word is fully closed before reopening it, and your Microsoft account is properly licensed. So that's how to fix the Microsoft Word product activation failed error step by step. If this helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Office fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.